All right, folks, this is our version of the biker Scran from MIssenden Flyer. So if you don't watch his channel, you should, because he's fantastic. His buddies are funny. We're going to do our own version of the American biker Scran. So this is homage to you. Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So we had a beautiful day to ride. Let's put it like that. And if you've never seen the MIssenden Flyer, Andy does a great job. I think he has 250,000, 300,000 subscribers. If you haven't checked him out, he lives in England. But check him out, MIssenden Flyer. I'll put the links and all that stuff in the description, but he does a bit with his buddies, and they meet up every now and then and do what's called a biker Scran. And I think, you know, some of those are some of his best episodes. But in general, he is, if you don't know him, if you know Ian from Big Rock Moto, Ian is probably more of the adventure dual sport reviewer guy. The MIssenden Flyer, Andy, is more probably adventure to street bike stuff, and doesn't do a lot of off-road, but does a lot of variations of different bikes, different trips, things like that, and does a great job. So just FYI, if you haven't seen him, you might have. If you haven't, like I said, subscribe. But back to the point of reference here. So I wanted to do a biker Scran, and it was a nice day. It's December, and you know, we don't get many of those in Ohio here, and thought I would do the American version of the biker Scran. We do a little bit of riding, which is fun, and then we go to this Lori's American Grill here in the greater Cincinnati area in Ohio. If you ever go, trust me, it's well worth it. Just a great, one of those local kind of dive, local joints that is really off the charts, and the food was absolutely outstanding. You'll see it. You know, you're going to see a couple parts where if I haven't had a heart attack, I don't know how I didn't after eating what I did, but I hope you enjoy it. Really, this is just, you know, we might try to do some of these later on in the year or whatever, but I thought it could be kind of fun because I just saw Andy do it with his guys. It's funny, he has a good friend called Dan. I've got Dan, who's Dan Down in my videos. Our buddy Tim couldn't be there, but Mark filled in, and then we got Greg. So Max Headroom, as we like to call him. But it should be a fun time. We cross a ferry. We leave from Ohio to Kentucky. We ride through Kentucky, and then we go eat. So we do a little bit different than what the guys do over in Europe. Yeah, we met up, and just a blast. But I wanted to give you a little bit of context. So this is biker Scran, American style. Shout out to Andy from MIssenden Flyer. Love the channel. You guys should too. Check him out. So hope you had fun with it, and let me know. Marathon. I don't see anybody yet, so I must be the first one here. It's all right. It's all good. So do you ever watch the MIssenden Flyer?
Yeah, sometimes.
So he does biker Scran every now and then with his mates. Yeah. So I'm going to do biker Scran American style with us.
What's biker Scran?
I didn't sign up for this.
Wait, what do you mean you didn't sign? Mark, come on. Now you signed up for this. Dan Down, how we doing today?
Got my new jacket, baby.
Yeah, looking good, looking spiffy. Yeah, Dan, this is probably about the dirtiest I've seen your bike, other than us being off-road after a BDR.
It's a mess. Embarrassing.
Yeah, usually you have this thing pretty waxed down, pretty clean. What do you think of this? He just bought this. Look at this Ducati.
I know. Look at that beauty.
I've never seen the Enduro one, the Multistrada Enduro. Oh God, here comes. Yeah, why is only one of your lights on?
Well, you have a turn signal on? Was the turn signal on?
It was.
Yeah. They turn off when you do the clean system.
Oh, okay.
So who put the Lone Rider lights on?
Me?
You did?
Yeah.
Good, you're coming over to my house to put mine on.
Yeah, you got them?
So did Tim.
They're awesome, man. They're really awesome.
I just need to take my clear waters off, and then I need to put my clear waters on my GS, and then my clear waters from my GS onto my Aprilia. All right, so we're doing biker Scran today. So
Biker what?
you obviously don't watch the Flyer.
No, what?
MIssenden Flyer.
I don't know what that is.
He's from Europe. He has about 300,000 followers. And he goes on what's called biker Scran with his mates, and they go out and do this same thing. They go for a ride, they go get lunch, then they critique the lunch, and then all this. It's great. So I'm doing the American version of biker Scran.
That's awesome.
We kind of lucked out here. We got the guy came on the ferry for us.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir. It's a little slippery.
Yeah,
It's a little greasy.
Huh?
A little greasy. And this guy's flipping the ferry around. You gotta love this. Greg, what's going on?
What's up?
Mark, how we doing?
Good.
We're on the ferry. Thanks a lot. Augusta, Kentucky. It's a nice little place in here. All right, folks, we are at Lori's American Grill, and we are going to see what this is all about. The guys are sitting in there. Let's take a look.
Yeah, what were you guys thinking?
I think we need 3 Get Up burgers.
Yeah, you want them all the same?
I think, right?
What's the difference?
Like
How do you guys want them cooked?
Oh,
medium.
Medium, fine, yeah.
And then how about the egg?
over easy.
Over easy.
And then for your side,
Oh, sides.
What do we got?
fries, onion rings, tater tots, mac and cheese.
What's the best?
Onion rings.
Onion rings, it is for me.
Onion rings. Onion rings.
Easy enough.
Yeah, we're trying to make it.
Okay, oddball, what do you have in there?
Santa Fe wrap. Santa Fe chicken wrap.
He's going health. Mark's going healthy, by the way, just FYI. You don't mind?
Anything else?
You don't mind being on YouTube, do you? Okay, all right.
I think
We're at Lori's American Grill.
That's exactly right.
we got a lot of food coming.
Oh,
Now wait a minute. What's in here again? What is this?
So these are the Reuben egg rolls. They come with our homemade Lori sauce, and I got the crab and green mozzarella cheese sticks with the red chili sauce.
Oh
Can't
boy.
beat them. Seriously.
Thank you.
You guys.
This is dangerous, guys.
I don't even know what Rangoon is.
Crab Rangoon.
wow. Those are good.
Oh.
Damn. I like it. I like it.
Oh, that's good. Biker Scran. That's what we're doing here today.
Scran, you're saying?
Yeah. I don't know, some English term.
Interesting.
I don't know what that means.
Now, I always called the RTE, but IDE.
Yeah.
You've never had crab Rangoon?
I don't like that.
Probably down, but
It's like it's almost like a cheese, cream cheese, with crab and stuff, and then it's in the wrap. You know, it's like in one of these wonton wraps or whatever.
Yeah, so you and Tim and Tom have a night ride set for Well and Wayne?
Yes.
I saw a note for that. That'll be cool.
woods or what?
I don't know.
Same route we did last year. We're going to do it in the nighttime. All right, you having one or no?
Yeah.
Are you done? Do you want more of one of these?
Oh, did you get it ready?
Yeah, I got it fine.
You good? Okay. All right. I just want to try it. It's good.
Reuben egg roll, man, that's really good. That's a good idea.
These are definitely not just frozen out of a box either.
No. All right.
What?
What are you scoring with the Rangoon thing?
The Rangoon?
Zero to 10.
I would say that'd be about a 58 out of 10.
Yeah.
But the Reuben egg rolls, that's definitely 69 out of 10.
69 out of 10.
Whoa. What you got? What do you got? What do you got for a score?
10 out of 10. 69 out of 10 are both.
I'm going to keep it simple, folks. I'm going to go 9.5 out of 10. Got to keep it real. You know, got to lower the scores a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay? And Mark, don't be so enthusiastic about your scoring. I just want you to know that. All right.
Oh, no.
Look at this. Oh, my God. Yes. Look at these things, folks.
All over, it's so big.
Oh, my God.
Low.
Look at these things.
That's special.
If I'm not having a heart attack yet, I will.
Unsweet. Thank you.
Well, yeah, you might as well fill mine up with a
Throw my
Coke
ice out.
Zero.
I'll take no ice if you don't mind. Zero.
Coke Zero. Thank you.
Man.
Look at this thing.
Oh, look at that. I
The
got
chicken sandwich looks pretty good there, too.
Triple
Yeah.
bypass.
Look at that. Is this the triple bypass sandwich?
Oh,
Yeah, how do you eat these things?
gonna be a mess.
First time for me.
This is what you should be filming.
I am. I got it film going.
Trying to
I don't want to film me doing this.
Wow.
Look at this thing.
Does the artwork also need to be ready?
Man. That was good.
That art. No, like no.
I'm afraid to because I'm about to blow up.
You're a man. He's over there eating with a fork.
I mean, it's tough.
Yeah, so much.
We gotta squeeze it.
You guys
Oh my God! Yeah, that was gone. That was awesome. Yes.
Also,
go ahead and fill these
Yep. Thank you.
I was in.
top off on drinks.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
I have a little bit more if you don't mind. Thank you.
The rented
We're back to biker Scran here. Sandwich. Now we had the Geta. What was it called again?
Get a burger.
Get a burger.
The Geta burger.
Waffle burger.
Score 0 to 10.
Infinite.
Wow.
Best sandwich I've ever
Infinity
had.
and beyond.
No, that's
What do you got?
best I've ever had.
I mean, I'm gonna go solid 69 out of 10.
69 out of 10.
Yeah, that's what the mullet guy.
Got it. All right, I got you.
It's ready.
What you got on your food there, boss man?
It's a 9.9 for sure.
I'll give it a 9.
9.
9 sauce.
9. All right, I'm going a solid 11 out of 10.
Turn it up to 11.
That's pretty sweet.
I'm doing a solid. What do you think, Dan? Solid 11.
11.
Okay.
These go to 11. So yeah,
Biker Scran, here we go. First time,
Big win.
American style.
At Lori's American Grill.
Lori's American Grill.
I love
There
it.
we go.
I loved it. Would do again.
I'll come back to you.